Reverend Lucy Natasha, Oracle of God, welcomes you for Miracle Monday services from 3rd of September 2018. Team September to Remember.
There is a door that God will open for you that will silence the mouth of your enemies. There is a blessing that God will give you that will silence the mouth of your enemies.
Featuring Chris Shalom, my beautifier.
My beautifier, you're taking away the shame.
Time 5:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Venue Nairobi Safari Club, Lillian Towers Hotel, Mawingo Hall, Kenya. Your host Reverend Lucy Natasha.
I declare in this Miracle Monday, every situation in your life, every giant in your life, it will bow to the name of Jesus.
For inquiry, please call +254 712 787878. Be there.